Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. So guys, yes, today is 8th of January and today I have selected ICICI Bank to trade. So I'll be showing you my live trade what I take today. Okay, so I have decided to go short selling right now. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, I have short sold it around 544.60, and I'm hoping to keep like 0.5% target for today. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, it's now trading at 542. So my 0.5% target is achieved here. So as you guys know, I shorted around 544.50 somewhere. So yes, uh, this was how the stock performed today, and this was the trade what was done today on ICICI Bank. So we'll see how far it will continue to go. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the Nifty 50 chart. So this is the Nifty 50 chart, and let me put in 5 minutes candle chart and show you what's happening. So if you guys can see here, it's a gap up opening today, so that's the reason why the market is in like 0.75% up. Okay, so by seeing this gap up, or by seeing this percentage, people think that market is in the bullish section and they do on buying side, but you should check. Okay, you should check whether the market is in gap up or really it's in the positive side. But as you guys can see now, it's a 5 minute chart what I'm showing. The market has gap up and now it's coming down. Okay, so this is a 15-minute chart what I'll show now. So yes, the market is actually gradually coming down, and it may take some support somewhere, and it will go up. And yes, coming back to our ICICI Bank, now it's trading at 541.50. Yes, so almost close to 0.8% target now. So shorted at 544.80 somewhere, and now at 541.60. So it was a very fast trade, and it was giving a very quick movement. So yes, so this was ICICI Bank today. So guys, yes, if you can see now, the Nifty 50 is at 0.66%. Okay, so when it started, it was at 0.80%. As I said, it was a gap up, and now it is covering its gap, I guess. So it's coming down. So we'll see how the Nifty will perform today also. And our ICICI Bank stock has made a low of 541.25 as of now. Okay, so again it's coming near 541, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is how the stock performed today. Here 540.80 is a low made as of now on ICICI Bank, and I managed to exit around 541. Okay, so yes, so this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in the trade of ICICI Bank, and this was the call what was given to my clients also. Even they booked a profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.